Vivo on Tuesday showcased the world's first in-display fingerprint scanning technology at CES 2018 in Las Vegas. The new development emerges weeks after the Chinese company announced its partnership with the synaptics to bring its native in-display fingerprint scanning technology called the Clear ID. A prototype was shown in the Mobile World Congress at Shanghai in 2017. The process used in the smartphone is that the ultrasonic signals pass the fingerprint from the screen to the sensor underneath the display. In order for this to happen, the current design will only be compatible with OLED displays, as they are transparent enough to let the sensor detect a finger above the glass. This would mean that this implementation will not work on the LCD displays, making this the only major limitation. According to the reports, the accuracy of the in-display fingerprint scanner was not as accurate as the traditional fingerprint scanners, but the speed was pretty average. The in-display fingerprint scanner will work only when the screen is active. A blue fingerprint icon will show up where you are supposed to place your finger. Once you place it down, this icon will shine brighter to illuminate your finger bright enough for the sensor to see. The actual phone that was demoed with Vivo is not still finalized. In fact, it doesn't have an official name yet. Thanks for watching.